Welcome hunters to Trading Jesus Tribe, where we hunt for exact price value. Today we're gonna talk about BlackBerry. As always promised, daily update for BlackBerry. So let's get right to it and see the price for Monday, because we bounced exactly as we predicted. I told you is the last support. We have to bounce from it, from our exponential average. As you look here from the chart, let's go to the chart and see right away, guys. Here in the last video we did at 11th of June, I told you, look with me closely, we're gonna bounce from this level precisely at the exponential average as we draw here at in this video, and we did it. And the last trading session at Friday, precisely here we hit and we saw buying pressure to take us around the $14.17 and get away from the $13. This is a really important level that we did at Friday, and a good move. So now what we should expect by Monday, what's the game plan? That's really important. We try to make some money here. So without further ado, let's get right to it and see the prices for Monday, guys. And here, guys, look with me closely. This is important stuff here that we're gonna talk about. The moment that we exploded from this triangle, I told you guys we're gonna see a price to bounce from our ascending line. And this is really important and like line that we should expect, because we've been respecting this line. I told you in the last video, here we bounce here and here and here almost 4 times, and every time if we bounce from it we see an explosion. If we pass through it, we're gonna see a weakness and the price will go even further below. That's why we see always buying pressure whenever we go under $13. Now we close at $14.17. This is how we actually expect the prices to go. So by tomorrow, this is the price that we should see a massive test before we actually go on higher, and to see the big squeeze around the 1985 is around this technical area. The moment that we break from our triangle around the $15, this is really important level to test and go from, guys. Just point this price and put it in sheet of paper so you never get confused and paralyzed when the price will go there. So here around tomorrow we're gonna see test for the $15.34 or 35 cents to be exact by the cent, guys. Any price test here and a rejection, we're gonna see the price through the week go back and gravitate around our ascending line here to test it by the next week. And any price hold and go above the $15.35 and bounce from this support, we're gonna see the price actually go this time to 1985. So this is a really turning point for BlackBerry, and any price around the 13, below the 14, we should see a big buying pressure and hold above this line. This is really important. You have to actually respect this line as I draw here. So this is still bullish for BlackBerry, still have a healthy bounce that when we actually bounce from our exponential average. And we have still trying to overpass this level of resistance around the 15. Another level that I want to show you, like indicator, the volume is dropping, guys, and below the 0 in the smaller picture. So be careful. I told you, be careful. We might see this reaction that we actually see a bit buying pressure to take us on about the 15, and then we see a slowing in buying pressure and go really below this time and test our ascending line. So be careful from this one, because the volume is dropping, and we need to see, even if the price dropped, we need a bounce from this level above the 13. We're not going below this ascending line. This is really important to note in this video, and try to actually keep you updated, guys, about the prices. So always I will do updates, so don't worry. I will keep you updated about the price so we could hunt for exact price value, and always tell you guys to be patient, never panic, always have a strategy, exit strategy, entering strategy, everything like a robot, no emotion. Don't actually get married to any stock. Execute, guys. When you have the price, execute on the level that I told you about, and always don't panic. This is really important, because if you panic, you can actually act, or you minimize your risk, or you sell, or you buy, you actually don't do anything. And by not doing anything, you actually make the matter worse. I know this from experience. It happened to me, so I don't want it to happen to you. So without further ado, guys, the game plan, as I told you here in this video. So without further ado, press the like button and see you in the next update. And hopefully you have a nice weekend, and let's get ready to hunt. See you guys.